Okay, so this is the one on Vogel. Side gate, front. That's a 2-car garage, and then your 3 cars right there. Walking up to the door. And it goes, this is like just the entryway. Service door to the garage. To the left. Then to the right. Got a little hall closet. A little powder room. And then here is a bedroom that they made an office. So these rooms are bigger than the last one. I'd say these are 13 by 13. This room actually has a walk-in closet in it as well. I'm gonna do it once around. Not brand new carpet, but in good shape. Okay. Then I'll go to the garage so you can see what's in the garage. Standard 2-car. Service door off of the garage and hot water heater. And a little extra storage right here. Okay. Walking in a little farther, you have the staircase going up to the 2nd floor. To the left, you have your formal dining area. And then a den area to the right. There's a little storage closet under the staircase. Goes all the way down. All right. And then continuing through. Now this is the kitchen living area. So off to the right is the living area, living space, fireplace. Around to the eat-in kitchen. And then your kitchen. So this little area right here is meant for a desk, if you will. But you can really use it for anything. There is the entry through to the dining area. And then I'll walk through because your pantry's there as well. Here is that countertop. So it is higher. It's, right about to just above my belly button area. So mid-waist. Good size. You actually have some storage right there. And then it drops down into your sink right here. So I'll go through here. This is the like main walkway through your, between the dining room and the kitchen. So you have your pantry off here. This is a nice walk-in pantry. And then to the right from the kitchen is the laundry room. So I'm kind of gonna come over here to this corner and get a little roundabout. That is stubbed for a sink, so you could put a sink in the laundry area. Washer, dryer, cabinets above. And this is a butler's bar, so more cabinet space here. And again, other side of the butler's bar, more cabinet space. So again, from dining to kitchen is what you're seeing here. Okay, now I'm headed upstairs. Okay, so you can see the loft already before I go all the way up the stairs. Finishing to go up the stairs. So this is a nice size loft area. And that does have like a little balcony right there. This is like the entry light from when you walk in downstairs. And then straight away from the loft to the right is the master, double doors. Really big size master. And right over here is like a little sitting area off of the master. So again, another big space. If I can find the light switch real quick. Okay. So they even have access for a TV outlet right there. But this room right here off of the master is like a 13 by 13, I'd say. And then it goes right back into the master. No door there, it's just an opening. Okay. And then over here into your master bath. A lot of bathroom space, huge amount of space. So, one walk-in closet. Or maybe just, no, it's a his and hers, so one. And here's your shower. Go out a little bit. So there's a shower head on each side. It's a pretty large shower. And then another walk-in closet. And then the cabinets. So that's a lower for a vanity, and then raised. One sink, then the tub, and a raised second sink. And then this is the toilet area. And leaving the master. Okay, so this will be the hallway for the kids' rooms and bathroom. It's a little dark. There we go. Okay, so this is the hall bath right here. A little more elevated up, cabinets and sinks, double sinks. And then there's a door separating to the actual shower bath and toilet area. Okay. Okay, so we've got one bedroom, walk-in closet, bedroom, like a Jack and Jill bathroom right there ahead. So this may be about a 9 by 13 or 14, so it's kind of long. So when you're looking at it, it's like here and then around. I'll go to the other side so you can kind of see. There is also an access to a little balcony, if you will, but if you leave it locked, they won't have access to it. Okay, and then going into the Jack and Jill bath. So you've got toilet, shower tub, double sinks again, raised vanity as well, or raised cabinet sinks, and then into the second bedroom. So I'll try to do it from end. And then this is a walk-in closet here for this bedroom as well. Okay. I'd say this is a little bit more square, not as long. So this one would be more like a 12 by 12 or 11 by 11. Okay. And then third bedroom. This one's a little bit bigger. It's like a 13 by 13. And that's the hallway. And then this one has a walk-in closet as well. Walk-in closet. So I'll go around all the way again. And then just the walls. Okay, that's it for this one.